Yo guys, today I'm gonna play Bob the Tool Hoe. Thanks to Lookout. Why can't I not pick up Bob? I'm gonna go to other Bob. He gave me 50 blocks. I'm gonna build a house. I'm building a present for Bob. Easy. Interior and roof okay. I'm gonna remove this present. KK. I didn't die, I swear. I'm a do-sem-thept Bob. That felt good. Spent 30 whole minutes doing